Great white shark. The great white shark is one of the most well-known predators in the ocean. It can grow over 6 meters long and is recognized by its powerful body, triangular teeth, and white underside. These sharks live in coastal waters around the world, especially where seals and sea lions are common. Their teeth are serrated like small saw blades, designed to slice through thick skin and bone. Great whites rely heavily on their sense of smell and their ability to detect tiny electrical signals from animals in the water. Because of their size and hunting ability, they sit near the top of the marine food chain and play an important role in keeping ocean ecosystems balanced. Tiger shark. The tiger shark gets its name from the dark vertical stripes along its body, which resemble the pattern of a tiger. These stripes are most visible when the shark is young and gradually fade as it grows older. Tiger sharks are known for being extremely curious and opportunistic feeders. They eat a wide variety of prey, including fish, sea turtles, birds, and sometimes even unusual objects they encounter. This species lives mostly in warm tropical waters and often patrols shallow coastal areas at night while hunting. Their strong jaws and thick teeth allow them to crush hard shells, making them one of the ocean's most versatile predators. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks are instantly recognizable because of their unusual wide, flattened heads that resemble a hammer. This shape is called a cephalofoil and gives the shark a wider field of vision. Their eyes are positioned at the ends of the head, allowing them to see above and below at the same time. Hammerheads also have special sensory organs across the head that help them detect hidden prey buried in the sand. Many species of hammerheads exist, ranging from smaller bonnetheads to the massive great hammerhead. They are commonly found in warm coastal waters and are known for forming large schools during certain seasons. Bull shark. Bull sharks are famous for their ability to live in both saltwater and freshwater. Unlike most sharks, they can travel far up rivers and even live in lakes for long periods. Their name comes from their stocky shape and blunt snout, giving them a strong and sturdy appearance. Bull sharks are powerful swimmers and often hunt in murky coastal water where visibility is low. Because they frequently enter rivers and areas close to human populations, they are one of the shark species most commonly encountered by people. Their adaptability makes them one of the most unique sharks in the world. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the entire ocean, reaching lengths of over 12 meters. Despite its enormous size, it is completely harmless to humans. Instead of hunting large prey, whale sharks feed by filtering tiny organisms from the water. As they swim slowly through the ocean, they open their huge mouths and trap plankton, small fish, and microscopic life. Their bodies are covered with distinctive white spots and stripes that form unique patterns, almost like fingerprints. Whale sharks usually travel through warm tropical waters and often gather in certain regions where plankton blooms provide plenty of food. Mako Shark. The Mako Shark is one of the fastest sharks in the ocean. Its streamlined body and powerful tail allow it to reach speeds of over 70 kilometers per hour in short bursts. This speed helps it chase fast-moving prey such as tuna and swordfish. Makos have smooth, metallic blue skin and long, pointed snouts, giving them a sleek and aerodynamic appearance. They are also known for their ability to leap high out of the water when hooked by fishermen. Living mainly in open ocean environments, Mako sharks are built for speed and endurance. Goblin Shark. The Goblin Shark is one of the strangest-looking sharks ever discovered. It has a long, flattened snout and a jaw that can extend outward suddenly to catch prey. When feeding, its jaws shoot forward with remarkable speed, grabbing fish or squid before snapping back into place. Goblin sharks live deep in the ocean where sunlight rarely reaches, which is why they remained unknown to science until relatively recently. Their pale pink skin comes from blood vessels visible beneath the surface. Because they inhabit such deep waters, encounters with humans are extremely rare. Thresher Shark.
Thresher sharks are known for their incredibly long tail fins, which can be as long as the rest of their body. They use this tail like a whip while hunting schools of fish. By swinging it rapidly, they stun or injure multiple fish at once, making them easier to capture. Thresher sharks usually hunt in open ocean waters and are often seen near the surface. Their slender bodies and long tails give them a graceful appearance while swimming. This unusual hunting technique makes them one of the most distinctive sharks in the sea. Nurse shark. Nurse sharks are slow-moving, bottom-dwelling sharks that spend much of their time resting on the ocean floor. Unlike fast-hunting sharks, they mainly search for small fish, crustaceans, and shellfish hidden in reefs and sand. Their mouths are located underneath their heads, making it easier to suck prey from tight spaces. Nurse sharks are often found in warm tropical waters and are known for gathering together in groups during the day. They generally move slowly and calmly, making them one of the more relaxed species of shark. Blue shark. The blue shark is a graceful open ocean species known for its long, slender body and deep blue color. This coloration helps it blend into the surrounding water when viewed from above or below. Blue sharks are highly migratory and can travel thousands of kilometers across the ocean. They mainly feed on squid and small fish, using their agility to chase prey through the water. Because they spend most of their lives in the open sea, they are rarely seen near the coast, yet they remain one of the most widespread shark species in the world.